Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a PS4 Slim HDMI port replacement. We're going to definitely replace that thermal compound. It's all dry and crusty. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The heatsink is surprisingly not very dirty, but we'll clean that out as well, as per usual. Surprisingly not very dirty, but clean it out anyway. Moving forward on the repair. Oh, please work with me on this extremely difficult angle. The phone's like teetering. Alright, so anyhow, the board's prepped. Let's get this port off, get the new one on. That is the finished product on the posts. That is the final outcome on the pins. Let's bolt her up and test it. Got that perfect pea-size amount of thermal compound on the APU. Got the thermal pads replaced with high-performance pads. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for tuning in.